How to turn off zoom on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Zoom. You can view and manage all the zoom settings from here. As you can see, the zoom feature is currently turned on. Zoom magnifies the entire screen. Now, go to the top and turn off the zoom feature as shown. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off zoom on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.